Hey guys, today's video is going to be painting the roll cage for the Lehman Little Dipper, get the counterweight on the machine, cut the pins for the new hydraulic cylinders. Let's get to work. This is the roll cage. It's been primed. Got a massive thunderstorm yesterday, but this managed to stay dry. So let's get this painted up. There we go, cage is painted up. I'll pressure wash my sidewalk later. I don't have any cardboard to lay down over it. I like to use skateboard grip tape over for your non-slip, wherever you're gonna be sticking it. There we go. Yeah, you can see how it's coming up in the corners. I'll use a heat gun in a second. Got that piece cut to length. Now I've got this section right here. This looks like it'll actually fit just fine on pedals for a little bit of grip tape. There we go. You see how it's coming up right in the corners? Use a heat gun. It'll lay right down and just pat it around. Once you heat that adhesive up, it really sticks good. Don't leave the heat gun on there too long, otherwise you will melt it. There we go, guys. That is one roll of the grip tape on the front, on all the pedals, and right where your feet rest. Very nice. Now let's get these pins cut. It's marked right there. Got it cut. These are the best flap discs I've found. Benchmark abrasives. These things last forever and really take material off nice. There we go. Done. Let's get the other one out of the way and I'll bring you back then. These are my new cylinders. These are O-ring Boss cylinders. New fittings. And that is 11/16. There we go. Let's get the other side in. There we go. I'm going to get longer bolts to retain these. Let's get this thing pulled over and get the counterweight on. Now the hard part is getting this counterweight on there. Jeez. Do not drop that. Oh, great. Wrong bolts. Do not breathe on it. There we go. Counterweight is on. Still plenty of space to get to the pull cord. Not bad. Cylinder's on. Let's get the roll cage on. Let's get this guy turned around. Let's get the roll cage back on. There we go. Cage is on. Bolted up. Did very little damage, even though it's a very tight fit. That's why I had to cut those pins. Now the only thing we need to do, I guess there's two things I need to do. I'm waiting on hoses, and I'm changing the orientation of this muffler. I want to have it come out and go up and exit that direction. This counterweight's definitely a good enough shield in case anything hits it. Now let's get this thing put away. This machine's coming along real nicely. I've got to get those new hoses. Those should be here within the week or so. Then do the electrical, put some lights on it, and reroute that exhaust. That's all I gotta do, and it's a functional machine. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care.